boy. Hi everybody, it's Kayla, Addie, Mommy, Daddy, and Annie.
And Mommy and Daddy are
Today
here.
we're making 60-second slime challenge.
Yay!
You didn't want to let anyone else talk?
We're all getting 2 cups, these blue cups of glue each, so we all have an equal amount, and that's not unfair that someone gets less slime than the other.
Can I pour it in?
Nope. We gotta let that.
Pour yours in.
Well, you could throw it in.
Go ahead. Annie got hers
This is not
already.
part of it. They
Pour
can
yours. I
have
gotta give you 2 more each.
that. They have
Go ahead.
borax, shaving cream,
Because
and
someone
their
might be spilling.
Fill it in. Don't squeeze it.
and they each get a color. What did you pick, Annie?
Green.
Green.
Stole my red.
Red.
Kayla stole your red.
No, Allie took the red, and Allie gave me the red.
No, I gave you the red.
Do you have to fight in a 60-second video? Supposedly.
Pour yours in, Michaela.
And Allie has yellow. Well, what color is
Oh,
that?
look how cool that is.
Blue.
Oh, you have blue. Okay, so just get the yellow out of there so she's not tempted to mix because you're not going to have time. I want to see the 30-second slime one because I can't imagine that anyone made it come together in 30 seconds.
Can I pull mine in?
Annie, you're allowed to say hello. Another early morning slime. We've been making a lot of slime here lately.
Hey, where's mine? That
Plenty
was that. Annie got
donate
2,
the
3 cups.
fans.
No, I didn't. She got 1 cup. And me.
Did you give her 3 cups?
I gave her 2. She has 2 now.
All right.
Allie has 1 and Michaela has 1.
Okay, so you gotta put that minute up on the clock, Daddy-O. And whoever has the best slime after the time of only 60
Blindfolded
seconds.
one, we got like 10 minutes to do it. It was hard.
Yeah,
gotta
but
do it
we're
real
also
fast now.
blindfolded.
You
It
only
has
got
to be
60
very
seconds.
fast.
Wait till I'm done pouring all my glue.
Open their thing. I did.
I'm still pouring the glue.
Ready?
Wait.
Not yet. Make sure all your
Okay, let me just.
stuff is easily accessible. Alright, you ready?
Ready? 1,
Everybody got your...
2,
Okay.
3. 1 minute.
Go.
Oh no, it's bloody looking. Ew. Gross.
Remember, those seconds are ticking down. 45 seconds.
45
Wait,
seconds.
what?
Hurry up.
No way.
Way. The challenge.
I don't care if it's mixed anyway.
32 seconds.
Wait, what?
2?
You're gonna hurry up.
I always thought a minute was a long time.
Nope.
I'm boraxing.
Only
I
in
don't
school.
Allie's in the lead.
20
Annie's
seconds.
coming up.
Oh, she
Michaela's
added a
slimming
lot.
up too.
care. Slamming.
She's got to make that come together. Allie's is coming together good.
10 seconds.
Yeah, you're like in Annie's boat. 10
8,
seconds.
7,
Oh no! No! Okay.
6, 5, 4.
That was close.
Time's up.
Okay.
Who's got the best slime?
Let's see the slime.
Okay.
Let's see your slime.
Kayla goes first.
No.
No more touchy.
No more touch. Let's see who's
Oh,
got
you
the
have
best
to hold
slime.
You have to hold it, but you don't have to knead it.
Let's
Stop
see
it. Let's see the slime.
It's dripping.
All right, yours is slimy.
You got buttery.
Allie's is a little bit more buttery.
No. Hers is more buttery. And
I mean, hers is more
hers
together.
is more, yeah, hers is nicely.
And
Mine's-
Michaela's,
Hers is going to be fluffy.
Michaela's
What?
is...
Stretchy.
Yeah.
Mine's stretchy.
It's not on my hands. That's just from before.
Mine's stretchy.
Yeah, yours is stretchy. So what do you think, guys? The blue have it?
Blue, blue, blue.
Does the green have it?
Green, green, green.
Does the red have it? Pink.
Red.
Okay, now we really
Mine's
can't
going
tell because
together.
you're all going together, but you
Try
guys
poking
saw
it
it.
on the table and see who wins. Like the best poking.
My poke.
Wait, one at a time.
I poke.
Wait,
Okay.
I need my
Yeah, just because you can poke it doesn't mean it's gonna make the noise.
It made the noise.
Okay, mine's good. I'm gonna put it on the table. Oh, it's just sticking to that old glue I have in my hands.
These looks like a ball.
We don't know who won, but if they were
Mine
in different
came together.
categories for buttery, fluffy, and regular, you'd all
Shut up.
be in different categories.
Mine's
winning.
regular.
Watch your mouth. Nobody likes to hear that.
Buttery, that's not buttery at all.
This is regular.
Yours is just stretchy slime, I guess. Hers is fluffy. More fluffy.
And sticky. I don't want them.
Comes off the fingers well. Let's see if yours comes off the fingers well. Let's see. Pick it up. Yes, it does pretty darn well there.
Mine's not gonna.
Oh boy. Okay.
I got more in the bowl.
Here. Okay, now you can do with your slime what you want.
Throw it out.
You can't fix it?
You can fix it, Michaela.
The borax is.
Can I put shaving cream in?
So who do you say wins this one, folks?
Oh, mine's fixed now.
Comment below.
Wait, can you hold
Team
mine?
gr-
It needed to be neat.
Team green,
Green.
team blue,
Not red.
or team mess on you?
Mine's good now, though. Touch it. Look.
Can I feel?
I will once I get my hand loose, my free hand.
I'm getting
What-
the rest out.
Where
of
do you
the
think you
bowl.
went wrong with that?
I didn't go wrong. It just needed to be kneaded.
Look at mine.
Maybe a little more borax?
No, it needed to be kneaded.
Stop
See, it's
it.
fine now.
I know, I guess that's
I'm
what
leaving
makes
my
it a
stuff in the
challenge.
bowl.
Can you imagine doing it in 30 seconds?
No.
I can't, because it goes
You
to 30
only
seconds so
get to
fast.
put in borax.
You don't even color it.
No, you just
didn't
put
even
in
have-
that and borax.
We honestly didn't even have to color it.
But it took you 2 seconds to color it.
Not really. We had to mix it all, make sure the color got through.
And you get the stuff in here. Got it.
Okay, Allie, you want to take us out, or is someone else going to do it with enthusiasm?
Me.
All right.
I'm gonna do another one. Bye bye. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Bye.
And if you want to see more slime challenges, you tell us what you want to see.
30 or 2 seconds.
2 seconds. We didn't get the top off this in 2 seconds.
Look. Look to me. Count to 2. 1.
2.
No, 1.
See, she couldn't.
1, 2.
See?
I did
The
it.
2 second challenge will never
I did
be.
it. I did it. 1, 2. What
You
are
want a
talking
challenge to
about?
impossible? Put a link to your channel below, and if you want to partake in this challenge and take us on in this 60-second slime
Why is stuff
challenge.
in